What's going on, you guys? Hey, my name is Crystal, but you could call me Chrissy, and you are watching Chrissy Eats, okay? So we're just gonna jump right into the video. Today I have simple fried wings, okay? Simple fried, crunchy wings. Oof. I cannot wait to bite into these because I am hungry. Okay, I've been saving this appetite. Did I say that right? It sounded like I said apple tight. I've been saving my appetite, okay, for you. I've been saving it. Okay, so let's jump right into it. This sauce is buffalo honey butter. Yes, I just did a little mixture there. And this one is lemon pepper with a little bit of Cajun sauce and butter. Yes, I love butter. It's a lot of butter in here. Okay. So, what do y'all want? Which wing should I get? Which wing? I'm gonna just bust this right open. Bust that right open. And it's still hot. Can you see it? Ooh, it looks good. Okay, no, it really looks good. I know y'all. I like wings. Which one do you prefer? I don't really care for these. Like, I would take little flats just so I can have them. I don't really care for the drumsticks too much. I'm just dipping it, you guys. I just want to dip it in there. Ooh. I'm gonna get messy. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, I'm so hungry. I'm sorry if I smack a little bit. Okay. For real. Oh my God. Huh. Excuse me. I forgot my napkins. I'll be right back. Okay, look. Now, I get talked about for not. Look, do you guys see that like little smoke still coming up? They hot, honey. They hot. Okay. Anyway, do you eat all your chicken off your bone? Let me know, because Bae tells me that I don't eat them right. I don't eat them right, and I do. I feel like I do. Okay. Let me get this one in. Even though I don't really want to, but okay, let me dip it in this sauce. Well, let's pour it. What kind of sauce do you guys like? I love sauce with wings. They have to be sauced. Ah, this one is big. Okay. Real. I'm be real with you guys. This one, I don't think I put a lot of lemon pepper in that one. It's good, but comment down below. Let me know your favorite wing sauce. What kind of wings do you like? Do you like drumsticks, flats? Let me know. Oh, excuse me. Do you hear that crunch? Do you hear that crunch? Okay. I'm sorry, I'm silly, you guys. I gotta dip it in this one. And yes, I double dip. If you don't double dip in your own sauce, something is wrong, okay? I get to a wing now. I mean a flat now. Give me a flat. Is it still hot? Do you see that? It's hot. It's hot. So, you guys, this is my first ever video. Thank you for clicking on it. You're the real one, okay? Thank you for giving me a chance. I hope I, wow you, maybe you come back around, visit, This is good. This is good. Juicy. Oh my God. This is juicy, you guys. Look up. Flying. Okay. Do you dance when your food is good? I got that from my mom. She's been dancing when food is good since I was young, okay? All right, let me wipe them out, honey. I'm probably over here looking real crazy. All right, I'm back. I need a toothpick, you guys. I'm really going in on this chicken. Okay, let me get this sauce. I gotta get this sauce some love. Let me mix it. You see all that lemon pepper? You see all that like lemon pepper seasoning in there? You probably don't. You like, girl, tilt that. I can't see nothing. You still can't see. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. Let me. Okay. Okay. There it is. It wasn't mixed the first time. It wasn't. Because, honey, I was wondering. I'm like, your girl could cook, but Crystal, you left an ingredient out because that's not tasting like the lemon pepper sauce you usually do, you know? Okay. Now, I tend to get full very quickly. It's just a thing. You know, I don't know. Sometimes I pick out. Sometimes I'm like, ooh, I'm a little full. So I'm gonna try to keep going for you guys, okay? For real. Look, if I'm doing a good job so far, and you don't mind liking this video, I feel like I just have like lemon pepper, like just butter all right here. If I do, and please excuse it, okay? If you like this video so far, please give it a like and consider subscribing. It will be great. You will be my first sub, okay? Yeah, that would be nice. And so I can bring you more videos so I can know that you like it. All right, let's keep going. I think I'm done with this. I think I'm done with this one. Yeah, okay. Let me really eat this chicken. Now, do you eat this part? I can't. I could barely get through the other parts. Like, I'm done. Okay, this one is looking real good. I like mine a little crispy, okay? If you're into the crispy, let me know. Let me know. It's still hot. The key is, if you fry them, deep fry them, skillet, however you like. And I put mine back in the, not back, but I put mine in the oven after I'm done frying them, like on 350, you know. Let it, you know, let it keep that heat, you know. Keep the heat. I'm just, let me bite this, because I could play all day. That's just me. Let me know what y'all had for dinner. What are you eating on right now? And what do you love to cook? I don't know. I'm trying to get to know you. I don't know. I want y'all to get to know me, okay? Look, I'm really dipping this thing in them. Gotta hold this one with two hands. Oh my God, okay. Okay. I do this every time I eat my food, y'all. It just be so good. This be so good. Oh. Let's get some more. Getting real messy. Okay, how many do I have left? Cause look, I should have got a little bowl for these bones, honey. How much do I have left? I'm getting full. I'm getting full. For real. Oh. It just always feels like the first time. Every time I bite into one of these wings. For real. Okay. Y'all, for real. I don't know why I keep saying y'all for real. Okay. All these bones in my way. Oh God. That piece of meat right there. I'm gonna let that one go the way. So, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because I'm at that limit where I don't think I can push through on another wing. Okay, I think I ate about two whole. You know, that's pretty good for me. 3, you know, I did my thing. If I have something in my teeth, again, excuse me. So, let's go. Thank you for watching, okay? Hopefully, I will see you in the next video. Please, again, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell because you will see me again. And have a good day, night, day, whatever. Okay, bye.